We are passing over the Gatlinburg bypass, which can be accessed at either end of town. The bypass offers two scenic overlooks of the city of Gatlinburg. If you would like to drive over Gatlinburg, turn right on Ski Mountain Road at traffic light number 10 and follow the double yellow line all the way to the top. Or, this is a steep Our newest addition is the Ski Mountain Coaster, which departs next to the snow tubing park. The coaster begins with 1,000-foot uphill ride that border the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Once at the top, riders whisk through 2,750 feet of adrenaline-pumping turns, dips, zigs, zags, corkscrews, and G-force action adventure. Riders are in control of the speed of their cart and can enjoy a relaxed pace or make it a high-speed adventure while hugging every turn and reaching speeds up to 25 miles per hour.
That looks like the roads we rode.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, at your left side windows is Tram number 1. Once we get side by side, it means we're halfway. If you'd like to wave, go ahead, just keep it PG rated. I didn't have time to do it. Just keep it PG. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, look out to the left side of ourselves. There's going to be a gray house with a round window. We call that house right there the cliffhanger. The reason why is only 6 inches of the house is built on land. The rest is on stilts and beams.
Are you serious?
If you look under the foundation, you can actually see where it starts.
Winter season begins weekend before Thanksgiving, followed by skiing and snowboarding soon after, as weather permits. This season usually lasts through March, weather permitting. For skiers and snowboarders, we have 10 runs rated from beginner to expert levels, over 2,000 sets of skis and snowboard rentals, and 100% snowmaking capabilities. We start making snow for our snow tubing park in October. The tubing park has 10 400-foot lanes and a 50-foot vertical drop. There are no special skills or equipment required, just a sense of adventure.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, if you look straight ahead, there's going to be a beige house with a green roof. It looks like it's built on stilts. We call that house the doll house. The reason being, it's an exact replica of the 1973 Barbie doll dream house. It's so unique, it's the only one kind in the world. It goes all the way down to the architectural design as well as the furniture on the inside of the house. And yes, ladies, it used to be pink as well. That house is also a nightly rental. You can go to chaletVillage.com/Destiny
Tower number 5.
Oh, it has been
our
snowing.
highest tower at 2,800 feet.
Did you see the snow on the road?
And 1,500 feet above Gatlinburg.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, like I said, we're coming to our highest point.
Oh,
What that
God.
means is we're going to get a main swing, so hold on, okay?
Oh, Lord help me. Oh my God, just get me down. Just, oh God, if I ever do this again. Oh Lord Jesus. Oh my God. This is not even funny no more.
Which has an indoor arcade games, unique shopping, movies, and
Do I have to get on this to come back down? Oh my God.
on the second level is the Seasons Above restaurant and the Loft Lounge. The menus feature a variety of entrees and your favorite beverages. Large picture windows offer views of the Smoky Mountains or the amusement park and ski area. Thank you for stepping aboard the aerial tramway. We hope you enjoyed the ride through the sky.
Oh yes, it was so lovely.
Not after you exit the aerial tramway.
We are coming into the dock, so we might bump a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Now, as soon as we're docked, I'm going to need a pass over that door right there on the right-hand side. So if you please make me a pass, I'll let you guys out here in just a minute.
Yeah, I'm gonna get run over again.
Here, Chris, come back over this side. He's gotta have a